Today, we've got a gem to share with you, Bitdefender Antivirus free for Windows. Stick around as we break down its features, installation process, and much more. The free edition runs on all versions of Windows, starting with Windows 7 Service Pack 1, up to the latest Windows 11. It won't perform a processor check, but system performance may be affected on devices with old generation CPUs. A minimum of 2 GB of RAM and 2.5 GB free hard drive space are mandatory. Additionally, Internet Explorer 11 is required. So, let's get started with the basics: how to download and install Bitdefender Antivirus free for Windows. To install, just head over to Bitdefender's website, download the installer, and follow the simple on-screen instructions. You'll need to create a Bitdefender Central account, but that's a breeze. Once you've activated your free subscription, you can install this product on up to 3 Windows devices. Getting a free antivirus for Windows 10 or Windows 11 has never been easier. Bitdefender Antivirus free for Windows incorporates the award-winning technologies found in our paid security solutions. Advanced Threat Defense is Bitdefender's innovative take on detecting ransomware and zero-day attacks in real time, using advanced heuristic techniques. It doesn't rely on the conventional method of detecting cyber threats, by checking them against a list of known viruses. It continuously scans the programs and processes currently active on your computer for any unusual activity. When it spots something suspicious, it gives it a danger score. If a process overall score reaches a certain threshold, Bitdefender blocks that application from running. Now, let's talk features. Once you're in, you'll see a clean and intuitive interface that resembles the commercial version. The quick and system scan options are right at your fingertips. And don't worry, it runs silently in the background while you go about your business. The Antivirus Module offers complete protection against all types of malware, including Trojans, rootkits, ransomware, spyware, viruses, and worms. This feature provides 2 different types of scanning. On-access scanning ensures real-time protection against known threats by scanning each file or folder that you access. The on-access scanning component is called Bitdefender Shield. Important: keep Bitdefender Shield turned on to shield your computer from threats. On-demand scanning includes any quick scan, system scan, and custom scan that you start yourself. You can configure a custom scan to analyze a particular partition, folder, or file either by running it manually or on a scheduled basis. Both components are controlled from within the Antivirus Module. Bitdefender analyzes both HTTP and HTTPS traffic and blocks websites that support various scams, credit card phishing, fraud attempts, and malware content. The online threat prevention feature provides web protection. Web attack prevention stops internet threats, including drive-by downloads. Search Advisor is a component that rates the results of your search engine queries, and the links shared on social media. It adds an icon next to each result, showing whether it's safe or risky to click on that website. Encrypted Web Scan. More advanced attacks may utilize secure web traffic to deceive their targets. That's why it's advisable to keep the encrypted web scan option enabled. Advanced Threat Defense monitors suspicious activities such as copying files to important Windows operating system folders, executing or injecting code into other processes, multiplying them, changing the Windows registry, or installing drivers. In order to further enhance your protection against zero-day threats, we have integrated an exploit detection feature directly into Advanced Threat Defense. Exploits are used by hackers to breach systems and take advantage of bugs or vulnerabilities present in computer software and hardware. To make sure that your device stays away from such attacks, Bitdefender Antivirus free uses the latest anti-exploit technologies. All this is completely free, no hidden costs, no trial required. And don't worry about validity. Bitdefender Antivirus free for Windows never expires. Plus, you can tweak settings to your liking. Change the app language. Activate dark mode. And even set up silent updates. It's all there to tailor Bitdefender to your preferences. If you want a reliable free antivirus for laptop or desktop, this is the one. So, go ahead and download Bitdefender Antivirus free for Windows. Your PC will thank you for it.